Okay, so I have a bunch of coasters, like coaster fails or whatever, that I'm not using them. So I'm thinking that I'm going to try to make something out of them. And these I just poured for an experiment with something else that I was working on. So I'm thinking I'm gonna connect them using UV resin. So let's see how this works out.
It was your sweet, sweet smile that drew me in, and I rarely used to let anyone in. It was your smooth, smooth voice that invited me in, and that's where our story really begins, really begins, really begins. Heartbeat racing, this is all I need. Heartbeat racing, is this my reality? Heartbeat racing, dreaming, it's just you and me. Heartbeat racing, this is all I need. It was a sweet, sweet smile that drew me in, and I rarely used to let anyone in. It was your smooth, smooth voice that invited me in, and that's where our story really begins, really begins, really begins. Heartbeat racing, this is all I need. Heartbeat racing, is this my reality? Heartbeat racing, dreaming, it's just you and me. Heartbeat racing, this is all I need. This is all I need. This is all I need. And that's where our story really begins, really begins, really begins. That's when I could see the weight build in your eyes and the twisted chaos in your mind. You told me you just needed time, but when I tried to make it right, don't you worry about me. Don't you worry about me. Don't you worry about me. No, don't you worry about me. You're lost in a jungle. nights, and I can tell you don't want to be saved, but I can't just stand by and watch. I need to make sure you're okay. Don't you worry about me. Yeah, don't you worry about me. And don't you worry about me. And don't you worry about me. I can see the pain in your heart grow, but I continue to ignore the signs. And I could tell you were losing control, but I couldn't cross any lines. Don't you worry about me. No, don't you worry about me. And don't you worry about me. And don't you worry about me. I know I should have done more, but I trusted every word you said. Now I'm staring at the bathroom floor, wondering if I pushed you to the end. Don't you worry about me. No, don't you worry about me. 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 Don't you worry about me.
I'm just going to be careful on this side because I think that that's where I really got it messed up before. So I'm just going to try to not make a mess, but get it covered at the same time.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running
I'm
wild.
just going to fix the H and take off the speaking.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get my mask on and mix up some resin, but this is what we got here for this one. I was able to use the silk screen and get all these on there, so I'm going to do a top coat of resin.
Two hearts running wild.
So it's the next day. I removed it from this little tray that I have, the first one at least. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape from the back. Hopefully, after a little while, I'm hoping it'll just come off.
Two hearts running wild, we're gonna be. We're gonna be. Two hearts running wild.
So what I can do is just paint the background, or I can just leave it like that. It'd totally be up to you, like if you wanted to do this. It depends. Like if you're giving it as a gift, I'd paint it. If it's going on my wall, I probably wouldn't. Okay, so here is the completed family piece, and I think that came out really good. Bring it up to you so you can see a little better. But I think this came out beautiful, and whoever I give this to will love it, I'm sure. And here's number 2. So this one says, home, welcome to our home, and together is the best place to be. Had a little issue getting all these silk screens on, and some of the resin didn't really adhere to the sides here. I could give it another top coat. I don't know if I will, because I think it looks beautiful as it is, but let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.